Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Andrea, and today I'm going to be going over ethics and psychology, which is lesson 6. So, what is ethics? Ethics is very important in psychology as many psychological research are done with living things. Ethics is the responsible and moral behavior regarding research. So first we have the cost-benefit analysis, which is where we weigh the pros and cons of the research. So is it really necessary to use a living thing in a research? Or can we do it without a living thing? Can we do it with animals? Or can we do it with humans? Would it be ethical to do it with living things? Because of ethical issues, we have several ethics committees which review and approve research proposals in order to ensure that all research are ethical. So first we have the American Psychological Association, which outlines the ethical standards that psychological studies must follow. And then we have the Institutional Review Board, which approves the proposed research. So, in conducting a study, we have several factors that we need to follow. First, informed consent. The participants must know what the study is about and must agree to participate in it. Protection from harm is what the name is. The participants must be protected from physical and emotional harms at all times. Your study should not inflict trauma to a participant. Anonymity and confidentiality. In most research, participants must remain anonymous and their data must be kept confidential. You cannot share who was in your research and what their responses were. Then we have withdrawal from participation. Participants must be free to withdraw from your study at all times. And they could also withdraw their data from your study even after the study has been conducted. Then we have deception. For some cases, you must deceive the participants in order to get genuine results. Then, because you would deceive your participants, you must have debriefing, even if you don't deceive your participants. Debriefing is when the study has been completed. You must inform the participants the real intention of the study. Then, ethical considerations does not stop with conducting the research. Even in reporting, you have ethical standards. So first we have data fabrication. Fabrication is what it is. Putting false information in the study. You cannot put false data or manufactured data in a study. Plagiarism is simply plagiarism. You cannot present others' work as your own. Publication credit. Publication credit is giving credit to where it is due. You must include the rightful people when giving credit to a study. Then, sharing research data for verification. You must not withhold any data from others in order for others to study the research and get their own results and conclusions from your data. Handling of sensitive personal information. So, in some cases, like genetic research or research relating to mental disorders, there may be sensitive information that is in your research. So you must be careful on how to share your study, as this may reveal private information and may cause consequences for the participants. Lastly, we have social implications of reporting scientific results. So this is when you consider the potential effects of the publication of your study to society in general. Would this be helpful or would this cause more harm? And that is it for this lesson and also concludes Unit 1. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon for the next lesson. Bye!